Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram comment to reveal story not showing. So if you have this problem, your I mean the feature reveal story not showing or disable, you can fix the problem by update in the Play Store first. So you can update the Instagram via Play Store. Here you can update into the latest version, and then you can clear some cache. For example, you can tap app info on your Android phone to get into the root storage usage. You can clear cache here. Even you can clear your data and relog in the Instagram. So if this case not solved, there is still have a issue or problem, the Instagram comment to reveal story not showing, you can try to help the customer service. You can ask for help by go to the settings and activity, and then you can go to the help and report your problem here. So you can checkpoint to report problem by turn off it and report your problem here, and briefly explain what happened or what's not working. So after that, you can screenshot and send your problem. So you have to wait until the customer service reply. I hope this can solve your problem. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.